Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. With concerns the food allergies and presence of chemicals and preservatives in some conventionally grown food, the concept of kitchen garden gives people a safe alternative. And you can create it in any space in your large backyard or in the small planter in your balcony or even in your rooftop. We have a garden in our rooftop and we grow some fresh organic fruits and vegetables in there. Today I will tell you how to grow some chili plants in your garden. As you can see, there are many chili plants in only one planter. You can get a chili plant from your local nursery, or you can just simply get some chili seeds from the chili you buy. Then you can sow the chili seeds into your planter. And that's how you can get a lots of chili plants like this. When your plant will have at least 4 leaves, then you can repot your plant into a permanent pot. Now I will talk about the container and the soil for growing green chili in pots. Choosing the right pot is a very important element of growing a plant to its full capacity. A 16 to 18 inches pot would be ideal for growing chilies, or you can even use a container of similar dimensions. But my mom is trying to plant the chili in a 12 inches pot. The container should have drainage holes in the bottom, since green chilies don't like to sit in standing water. In here, the soil contains 50% garden soil and 50% kitchen waste compost. Good soil is the key to productive chili plants. Buy the best quality potting mix that is well drained and loose, or also make your own. It should be rich in organic matter and fertile. For this, you can add well-rotted manure or compost into it at the planting time. Make sure to not pinch until it has 6 to 8 leaves. If you do the pinching a lot of times, it will help the plant get bushy. Your plant will also get a lot of lateral branches. Now I will talk about the sunlight requirements for growing green chilies. They require full sunlight for the best growth. So make sure to give your plant at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight every day. Now I will talk about the watering. Chili plants love the soil which is moist, but they do not like soggy soil. So make sure to daily water your chili plant to keep the soil very moist. Now I will talk about how to fertilize your plant. chili plant is a very heavy feeder, so you must give some fertilizer every week or 15 days interval. My mom fertilized the chili plant with only kitchen waste compost until the flowering came. Check your green chilies daily for pests. Insect pests that generally affect green chilies include aphids, cutworms, and white flies. Remove large insect pests by hand or cut off badly damaged plant leaves or branches. As the flowering has come, my mom will give some potassium-rich fertilizer. For the fertilizer, my mom will give kitchen waste compost, a handful of banana peel fertilizer. With it, my mom will give some eggshell fertilizer. We have made a lot of videos about how to make organic pesticides that won't hurt the insects. So you can check our playlist and use any one of the pesticides. Normally, my mom likes to spray Bioenzyme weekly. I hope this video was very helpful to you. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.